right, so these are the Miele replacement vacuum bags, and it also comes with 2 filters. It's the FJM. These bags last quite a while. I don't have to change them very often, but I did have to order a new box, so I'm just gonna show you guys. These are the model numbers that they worked for. We have the C1. So it's a pack of 4, like I said, with 2 air filters. So there's the filters. Excuse me. And the bags. And I'm going to show you how easy they are to replace. So there's your bag. You just pop this open. Right there. Take your bag with the little arrows. Arrows go there. And that's it. Make sure your bag is in there. And then close it. The air filter goes here, but I think my air filter is fine right now, so I'm not gonna mess with it. I'll just keep those for maybe next time. And then, yeah. So there's 1 air filter there and 1 air filter there, but as you can see, it still looks good. So I'm just gonna leave the bag, close it up, and you're done. Super easy. Again, you can watch our videos on this vacuum. It's the best vacuum on earth. And then these are the replacement bags. So yeah, Miele AirClean 3D efficiency.